Spa Remedy.
See this? But this is for Mom. And in this blend, it'll be lemon, rose, and lavender, and then the botanical booster of pomegranate and or calendula. Today I chose pomegranate. We also have CBD oil, which it's great for dry skin, and is a great additive into your body bliss. You don't have to, but it is an option. The pomegranate is really great for improving skin elasticity, reducing wrinkles, and it's also good for dry, irritated skin, which during this time, especially with all the extra hand washing and hand sanitizer that's being used, your skin tends to dry out, especially the tops of your hands. All right, so Ryan's going to help me mix this together. Let's see, we are going to use the mango butter today, and then we have this cute little flower that we put on top to help keep all that product in. And then the recipe is here on the app for us, so I know exactly how much to add in. And then also there's a summary of the recipe. So let me just read that for Mom. Rose represents the archetype of mother and stands for love, gratitude, and feminine wisdom. In this blend, a message of gratitude to the person who has raised and nurtured us. It is paired with lavender, the universal healer, and lemon, bringer of light on the internal path that stretches before us. So all of the recipes included in Body Bliss come with a reason or a summary, an explanation of what we used and why we are using it and what it's good for as well. But today we're using specifically for Mom because Mother's Day is coming up and we are here to help you get ready for that. This is great. I use it, she uses it, my littlest one uses it, and we all just really love it. So, all right, Ryan's going to mix in. I'm going to follow the recipe provided here in the app by Body Bliss, and Ryan's going to mix it in for me. So Mariah gave me this great little Mom's Day gift. I'm very happy and it smells great. And you guys can do the same. Message us on Facebook to order this product. And we can always go over with you the different scents, the different blends, so we can customize it specifically for Mom. It doesn't have to be this specific blend. If Mom has a certain scent that she likes, or she knows exactly what kind she wants, we can do that. And then also, like I said, we can print off the recipe for Mom so that when she gets your gift, she loves it and she uses it and wants to get more. She knows exactly